Yes, I have removed the side fairing sticker yesterday. There was a golden sticker here. I have removed it. So I'm planning to put some custom stickers here, not a lot of stickers. Maybe a small logo or something here. I've removed the sticker from here and from here. You see this tire? Recently I have changed my stock tire. It was a Contigo, almost like 20,000 I had clocked on this. So it's I have recently upgraded it to MRF Metzeler. It's kind of a soft compound. I'm getting good grip in the corner also. The rear and the front also same. It's 110 and rear it is 140. And I have done a little more custom modification on this. It's not a big major modification. I have inserted one hazard and another mobile mount. That's all. I didn't do any much upgradation on this bike. And from the stock hero oil I have changed it to Motul fully synthetic one. It's much better than the stock one, guys. Just splash some water on top of it. And my daughter is helping me out to clean my bike. Say hi. And another thing, it'd be better if you could cover all the electronics with a normal plastic cover or something. I'm not throwing too much water in the electronics, so it's okay.
Just like a fire that scorched the land around me, yeah.
What I'm doing is like I'm just doing the same method once more. So, but now what I'm concentrating more on the inside part of the bike. In the first wash, whatever small dust particle what is there on top of the bike, like in the tanks or sheet, might have come out already in the crowd, fairing, everything, it might have come out. Another thing what you have to mainly focus is like you should never wash your radiator from front side, because if there is a dust or anything, if you're throwing water from the outside, it might go inside. So always wash it from inside if it's possible. For me it's easy because CBR doesn't have that much of complicated fairing. Now we are done with the first stage. We have to go for the next stage now. That will be applying your wash, your shampoo. So what I'm using is like a normal car or bike shampoo. And whether you buy a bike wash or car wash, try to buy a wash which is having citrus flavor. This thing is very powerful. Maybe something like a 4 or 5 drops that'll be enough. Almost 3/4 of a bucket. And here I'm using a normal plain cloth. It's always better to use microfiber clothes. I don't have one with me now. casual wipe. You don't have to completely wipe the bike. You don't have to suck out all the water what's there on the bike. You just give it one normal wipe.
Just like a fire that scorched the land around me, yeah. And this faded string of hopeless dreams played before our eyes, and all I saw was you.
Now it's time to do some cosmetics. What I use first is you could use any kind of polish. You could use a water-based polish or any kind of polish you could use. What I use is, so this is called wax pearl. Just very cheap polish, but it's so effective. I'll show you how to use it. What you need is a soft cloth. A soft cloth like any old socks you could use. See, I'm using one old socks of mine. You could use your old t-shirt.
Just like the way
This much will be enough. And just buff it all over the place you want, where you want the
just like the earth beneath fell away, and this blinding flash of memories played.
and now you just start rubbing it. Always try to rub it in the circular motion.
And all I saw was you. And all I saw was you.
Let's see how shiny it is now.
The washing.
And let me check how the chain.
Not that dirty. I'll be making another video how to lube your chain and how to clean your chain properly. Stay tuned for that.